Base medrash together. Can I lean on the
I'll
shoulder?
help you, Rebbe Yehuda, Hanesiya.
Thank you. Ipsulai, you were in the base of medrash yesterday.
Yes, I heard all about it.
What did you hear? You missed. You missed. Yesterday we were matir shemen.
But Rebbe Yehuda, Hanesiya, I have a different question. You should matir the pot also. You know how hard it is for people to eat bread? Isn't that the staple
I
of
understand,
man also?
Ipsulai, but if we were matir pas also, that will be three things. That will be another thing I am matir, and then they will accuse my bezdin of being a bezdin. That's matir things.
What's that thing? What's the second thing?
What's the second thing? You're right. If I do pass, but I was matir something else. I was matir a very important thing by gittin. By gittin, if a guy goes away and he says to a woman, "This is your get if I don't return within 12 months." And is this a good get on that? So this happens to be a machlokes in gittin between the rabbis and I believe Rebbe Yossi.
Rebbe Yossi, right.
And I pass like Rebbe Yossi that he also zmano shall get is lechiach alav. And this is a big discussion which we will use on a blackboard later because tomorrow is a holiday, and the women think that maybe it's this thing that Rebbe Yehuda Hanesiya did is very important to them because these Sfardim, they take long trips, and if they don't return, they don't want to end up being they don't want to end up being first of all they're a gunari. So here they encourage getting to be written. Something to be speaking for the Sfardim women and fix these guys up that if they disappear, the woman will be able to remarry. Okay, so here we see the Chashivas of Rebbe Yehuda Hanesiya. He is a grandson of who?
Rebbe Yehuda Hanesiya.
And Rebbe Yehuda Hanesiya was the one who did all the Mishnayot, and he sealed the Mishnah. Rebbe Yehuda Hanesiya came 2 generations later, and he definitely has the thing that he was matir shemen, and he has a very important role in Talmudic discussion. So we thank you, Rebbe Simloi, and we thank our cameraman, and this is on Daf Lamed Zayin in Avodah Zarah. Thank you very much.